Difficult interactions can really make us feel we're not being our best selves. But you know what? Relationships are hard, and you're doing the best you can. Let's take a moment to pause, even in the midst of a difficult interaction if it's possible, or after the event. Take a deep cleansing breath, letting this take you out of your thoughts and overwhelming emotions, and connecting to your body instead. Gently place one or both hands anywhere that feels supportive, protective, and compassionate. Notice if this simple process supports a sense of self-compassion.